inches of 3/8-inch porous concrete base, we're in good shape. Lights, sound, action. Water, fire features as a focal point. Work faster, reach further. Backfilling this raised patio is going to be the quickest part of the job. Travertina Raw 30x30 slabs. Battery-powered vacuum equipment like this has changed the slab laying game. Versatile products, great quality, a designer's dream. Techo-Bloc, our raffinader steps, a couple of cuts, mechanical clamp installation, unlimited impact. Half the fuel, twice the flame. This linear fire feature is going to be the envy of the neighborhood. There are tricks of the trade, even in a stepping stone walkway application. Interlocking panels, lightweight, high-density polypropylene that have self-draining holes. Setting the benchmark for innovation and quality is nothing new at Techo-Bloc, and HD2 is a shining example. This year, we learned something new. We're going to bring all of those to you today.